In this video, I'll show you how to add Microsoft Planner to Microsoft Teams so you can manage tasks and track progress directly inside your team workspace. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the team where you want to add Planner. Click on the channel where you want the task board to appear. Planner is usually added inside a channel so everyone on the team can see and use it. At the top of the channel, click the plus icon to add a new tab. This will open a list of apps you can add to the channel. From the app list, look for Planner. In some versions, it may appear as Tasks by Planner and To Do. Click it to continue. Next, choose how you want to set it up. You can either create a new plan or use an existing plan. If this is your first time using Planner in the channel, select Create a new plan. If you already have a Planner plan, choose Use an existing plan and select it from the list. Microsoft Planner will now be added as a tab in your Teams channel. Inside the Planner tab, you can start creating tasks right away. Click Basic Plan, then click Use this template. Enter a plan name and click Create. After that, click Add Task. Enter a task name, set a due date, assign it to team members, and add details if needed. You can organize tasks into buckets, track progress, and see who is responsible for each task. All changes made in Planner are synced automatically, so everyone on the team can see updates in real time. This makes it easier to manage projects without switching between apps. If you don't see Planner in the app list, it may be disabled by your organization. In that case, contact your IT administrator to enable Planner for Microsoft Teams. And that's how you add Microsoft Planner to Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to keep tasks organized and improve collaboration within your team. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Leave a comment below if you want more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.